guys, welcome to El Patron Show, and today we have Jenny from BDC, our BDC manager. And this is for anybody that wants to get into the car business, okay? For BDC, we are expanding, correct?
Yes, we are. Yes,
And
we
we have a lot of space available for our BDC agents. So Jenny's just going to go over more or less, guys, what she's looking for. And if you got what it takes and you want to reach out to her, right, click the link below and you can reach out to her directly if you want to send your resume. So Jenny, take the show. It's yours.
Well, yeah, as he just mentioned, we are looking for some reps, some BDC reps. Some of the requirements will be someone that's hardworking. I need someone reliable and, dedicated, because part of this, it's a lot of dedication because sometimes it consumes you as a lot of hours. What we need people that can be on the phones, feel comfortable, 150 calls plus. I need someone to follow up process.
Right.
We are willing to train, and but you have to be willing to learn.